Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I just wanted to do a project share for you guys and kind of show you guys all these things that I made and then how much I used up from like a brand new pack of thickers and kind of like how I made some letters work for me. So I'm going to show you guys what I created. They're so cute. Okay, let's just get right into the video. Okay, so I don't really know what these are called. Crepe paper ruffles with tulle and ribbon and thickers and whatever it is. I was originally inspired by Sparkling Ghoul, who just did the crepe paper, and her machine was just like, you know, folding it and everything itself. And I was like, ooh, I want to try that. But then mine didn't happen. But I wanted to throw on like a whole bunch of stuff to mine and use up some things that I had. I also saw some other people do this with the thickers, but I cannot remember who. So I'm sorry. I've just seen it around so often and so many times, and I tried to go through my Instagram, but I don't have any saved. So I've just been seeing it around. Anyway, so let me show you guys. I created some Halloween ones, and then I also have some fall ones, but just some crepe paper, some tulle, ribbon, and then my thickers. And at the end, I'll show you guys all the thickers that I used. I'll show you guys what my sheet looks like left. Here, this one says RIP with another different kind of ribbon. They're just really cute. This one also says eek with like a boo, not like a boo, but like a ghosty background. This one says candy with a candy corn background. How cute is that, right? So if you guys got a lot of ribbon and stuff, here's one way to use some of it up. And tulle too, and crepe paper. Like, I started using a brand new roll of crepe paper, and look, I still have all of this left. It's like the only color I own, so I went crazy making these, trying to use up a whole bunch. This one I love. Look at this one. I actually used the reverse side of my candy corn one because I wanted it like black, and it was like actually silky. So I used that, and then I put spooky, but I did the SPKY. I stitched that on. I did place these down first just so I could see where they go. But then I took them off for the stitching, and then I placed the googly eyes on again afterwards. How cute is that, right? I love it. And look, I'm using more ribbon. You would have never known that it's the candy corn ribbon. So cute. Then I also made this one, and I actually did this one with a tutorial on how I made this. It's just like a process video. I don't know if there's a video out there showing it. I didn't watch any videos. I was just trying to figure this out on my own. So if there is any videos, I apologize, but I didn't watch any on how to make this. So I was just doing my own thing, figuring it out. Then I got this one that says boo. Like I said, I was inspired and I've seen this around, but I've never seen a video on how to do it. And then look at this one, my favorite. I started doing like a fall ribbon, and I even added some pumpkin foam pieces that I have. They're just like stickers from Michael's. And here's where I got creative because I ran out of like a P and a K. So this one, this letter P, was actually an R. I just cut off that little bit, This one, the K, was actually an X and a Z. So the X I cut in half, and that gave me like the K part, and the Z I just used this piece right here to make like the this long piece for the K. So I didn't bother cutting off the sides to make it straight. I just left it. But yeah, it's from a Z and X. And then this was a R. So that's another way to use up some of your other letters. Just cut them up and combine them. But anyway, this says pumpkins, and I just used another kind of tool here. And I think it's so cute. And then here's another one I did that says autumn with a little leafy background. And I totally meant to put the pumpkin in the back, but oh well, it turned out like that. And then this one I also love so much, and this one says fall, also with another little pumpkin and that leafy background. So I literally went to town making a bunch of these. It was so much fun. It's not hard. My thread did break a couple of times, but I mean, they're so cute. You guys see this? Look how cute all of this is. I just love it so much. So yes, let me show you guys the thickers that I used because I opened up a brand new pack for this. And this is what I have left. Let me zoom out a little bit so you guys could see. But yeah, I still have a bunch, but I definitely feel that I used a lot. It's not something, you know, you get to, like, we each have thickers. And we like to use our thickers, you know, to write people's names and things, but this was another way to do it. And, you know, I feel like I got to use some letters that I would have never otherwise normally used, like the X and the Z. I actually used the K on one of the eeks too. Or with the, hold, no, it wasn't here. Here is where I also cut up the X. So I used part of the X, and here I used part of a J for my letter K. But you would have like never known. You have to like really look at it to know that I like split them up and cut them apart. But I got to use some letters you wouldn't have otherwise, you know, thought to use. I still got these, and I could have used this for the spooky part also, these O's. I need this boob part for something else, which is why I didn't use these ones. Because I need those O's for something else, but I could have used this for spooky instead of googly eyes. I could have used the zeros. But yeah, that's what I have left for that. And that was just like the main thing that I wanted to show you guys because I mainly opened up a brand new pack for this. But everything turned out so cute. So I hope you guys like this little project share video. I hope it inspires you guys to try this. You could literally do this with any season, any occasion, any holiday. You could do it for anything. You could have ones that say celebrate. You could have ones that say birthday or B-day. And you could have ones that say I do. I don't know. Whatever it is, any occasion, throw on some, you know, use a different color crepe paper, some tulle, throw on any kind of ribbon, and just have the words. And you could literally do this for anything. So super duper cute. I hope it inspires you guys. And that is it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.